walk up to that 170-foot leg and point straight up. So here's the leg. Here's the inside of it. And there'll be buckets and things. So if we tilt back all the way up there. Alright, gentlemen, so we finally made it to the top. I am at the top of the grain bin. So let me turn the camera around. I'm really nervous being up here, so I'll turn the camera around. Alright guys, so here is a view from the very tippy top of this job. Very tippy top. I forget how high, 140, 150 feet, some shit. There's the ground. Yes, I'm clipped in. Makes me a little nervous. I can feel her swaying, but there's the deck, there's where I was standing, and that's the finished tower right there at 170 feet, I think, or some god-awful thing. As you see, no crane over there. There's our lift. But anyways, guys, that's just a little update of what's going on at the grain bin here in Elkton, Michigan.